Hello all, welcome to the series of operating system. In this video, we will be discussing about the shortest job first CPU scheduling algorithm. So this is one of the important algorithm. The criteria for the SJF algorithm is a burst timing. In FCFS algorithm, the criteria was arrival timing. Here we are focusing on the burst timing. Okay, burst timing, as we already discussed in another video. So burst timing is the required time to complete that execution, and the mode of SJPS is a non-preemption. So complete time to execute one process is nothing but the non-preemption. Here you can see four processes are given, P1 to P4, and we have to calculate their average waiting timing as well as the average turnaround timing. So here also we will use the Gantt chart, okay, because it will give the output with very limited timing. So this Gantt chart is required here, and the timings, execution timings will be started from the zero because we check from the zero time whenever process receives arrives at the ready state. So at start from the zero. Okay, so first of all we have to check, is there any process arrived in the ready state at the zero timing? No process is there, but some processes like a P1 and P3 are there at the first time. So that means from 0 to 1 CPU is there in the idle mode there, because there are no processes in the ready queue. Okay, now from the first you can see P1 is there in the ready queue as well as P3 is also there in the ready queue. Okay, which process we supposed to execute? It is based on the criteria of a burst timing because our criteria is a burst time. So shortest burst timing we have to consider in between P1 and P3. Which process is having shortest timing? You can see here 3 units for P1 and 2 units for P3. So shortest is a P3. So that is why we will execute P3 at a first. Okay, so how much timing? 2 units. That means 1 plus 2 are 3. So P3 is executed. Now, while executing P3, is there any new process arrived in the ready queue? Yes, P2 is arrived in the ready queue. P2 process is arrived because see their arrival timing. That means in between 1 to 3, here at this timing, P2 is also arrived in the ready queue. Okay, now after P3, we have P1 and P2. These two processes are there in the ready queue, right? P3 is already executed. P1 and P2 are there in the ready queue. So now again check the shortest P1 and P2. Which one is the shortest? P1 is the shortest because P4, P2 is having 4 and P1 is having 3. That means shortest is for P1. So P1 will be executed for 3 units because criteria mode is a non-preemption. Non-preemption means complete execution of that process. For how much timing for P1? It's for 3 units. That means 3 plus 3, 6 units. Now P1 is also done. P2 is already there in the ready state. Now, is there any new process arrived? Yes, P4 is also arrived. That means in between 3 to 6 somewhere P4 process is arrived. That means in the ready state we have P2 process as well as a P4 process. Now see P2 and P4. Both the processes are having same burst timing. If same burst timing is there, we have to consider the arrival timings. Which one, which may, process is arrived initially, so that we need to consider it when the burst timings are same, right? So P2 is arrived initially, so P2 will be executed. And what is the burst timing? 4. So that means 6 plus 4, that is 10. P2 is done. Only one process, that is P4, is left in the ready queue. So we will execute for 4 units because burst timing is a 4. So that is 14. Now you can see the finish timing for P1. When P1 is completed, you can see 6 here. When P2 is completed, you can see 10. P3, when P3 is completed, initially it was completed 3, and when P2, P4 is completed 14. Okay, turnaround timing is what? Turnaround timing is nothing but the completion timing, CT minus arrival timing. What is the CT? 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1, that is 5, 10 minus 2, that is 8, right? Then 3 minus 1, that is 2, and 14 minus 4, that is a 10. So completion timing minus arrival timing, that is nothing but the turnaround timing. What is the waiting timing? Waiting timing is nothing but the turnaround timing minus burst timing. Turnaround timing for P1 process is a 5 minus what is the waiting burst timing, that is a 3. So waiting timing is a 2. For P2, turnaround timing is 8 minus burst timing is 4. So waiting timing is a 4. For P3, turnaround timing is a 2 minus burst timing is also 2. So that is 0. 2 minus 2, that is 0. And lastly, turnaround timing for P4 process is a 10 minus burst timing is a 4. That means a 6. So average is equal to 10 plus 7, 2 plus 8, so 20 plus 5, so 25 divided by 4. Okay, so answer, calculate the average and write your answer in the comment box for turnaround timing, average turnaround timing. Similarly, average waiting timing is 2 plus 4 plus 0 plus 6 is equal to 12 divided by 4, right? So this is nothing but the shortest job first algorithm. Okay, thank you.